Hi, and good afternoon. Welcome to Electronics Expo. We're here today in the Wayne, New Jersey showroom. We're located at 491 Route 46 West in Wayne, New Jersey. So today we're here to highlight Hunter Douglas custom shades. And as you can see in this section of the showroom, we have several Hunter Douglas shades on display. And for today's conversation, we're going to highlight a couple of them. So right here, this is part of their roller shade technology. So roller shades are basically meant to limit how much light comes into the room, and that's referred to as light filtering. So with light filtering, you get to choose the different color, different materials for the shades, and different opacity, which allows you to limit how much light is coming in and out. Some of the really beautiful trim that you see here is the design of the cassettes, so you get to choose whether you want different colors, different materials to match the shade. And as you can see, in this case, the shade is fully extended down, but you have the ability to control the movement of the shade either with the app like we do on the phone, or with a remote control that you can have on the wall or in your hand. So the roller shades are really cool for light filtering. One of the other things that's really nice with Hunter Douglas is a lot of their design elements. So here, in this particular location, we have the silhouette shade. So in this particular case, as you see it fully extended, it's more or less set for privacy. So it limits, anyone looking into the space, and also limits how much light is coming into the room. And with the silhouette, one cool feature that you can do is with a simple touch on the remote or on the app, you can open the vanes, as you can see here. And now that allows for light to come in and allows for you to be able to view out as well. So not only does it allow you to control the light, but it's a very, very nice and beautiful decorative element to the shades. So if you're interested in doing any of the shades that Hunter Douglas does, all you need to do is contact us. You can either call us at 973-785-1112 to speak to us by phone and set up an appointment. Or you can go to our website at electronicsexpo.com, go to the shade section and fill out the contact us form, and we will get back to you to set up a free in-home consultation. And one of our specialists will make an appointment to come out to either your home or business, where we will take precise measurements, go over all the different types of shade technologies available, show you different materials and colors, and discuss the control of the shades, whether you want a remote, whether you want something on the wall to control it, whether you want to do it through an app, or if you have a home system that you want us to integrate it with. So once the shades come in, our professional installation team will come out to your house. We'll do a very clean, very professional installation. And after the sale, if there are any issues, you can always contact us, and we make sure that you can have many years enjoying your custom shades from Electronics Expo and Hunter Douglas.